Hey there! Welcome back to Excel Insights and Beyond with Sati. I'm Sati, and I'm glad you are here. Last time, we talked about what to expect from this podcast. If you missed it, go check it out. Today, we are jumping straight into an Excel skill that can save you hours finding data faster. Scrolling through rows and rows of data. No thanks. Excel has functions that pull the data you need in seconds. Let's talk about them. Imagine you have a massive employee list and you need to find someone's department based on their ID. Scrolling manually. That's a nightmare. Instead, we use lookup functions that instantly fetch the data, no wasted time. Let's start with the most popular one, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is like your personal assistant in Excel. Give it a value, and it finds the matching data for you. Example: you enter an employee ID, and VLOOKUP finds their department. No searching, no scrolling. One catch: it only works left to right and needs a structured table. If your data isn't set up correctly, it might not work as expected. But don't worry, we have other options. If VLOOKUP has limits, what else can you use? Here are some cool alternatives. Lookup, same as VLOOKUP, but searches horizontally instead of vertically. XLOOKUP, the ultimate lookup function. No left to right restriction, way more flexible. Index and match, more advanced but super powerful. If you want full control over searching, this is the one. Use the right function for the right job, and you'll never waste time searching manually again. Pro tip: use filters and search. Not a fan of formulas? No problem. Here are two quick tricks. CTRL+F, type in what you need, and Excel finds it instantly. Filters: click on the column header, apply a filter, and only see what matters. These are lifesavers when working with large datasets. Alright, quick recap. Stop scrolling, use VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, or index and match. Need a quick fix? Use CTRL+F or filters. Next episode. Excel shortcuts that save you hours. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you found this helpful, subscribe, share, and send in your Excel questions. See you next time.